A member of President-elect Joe Biden's COVID-19 advisory board has suggested the idea of a nationwide lockdown of 4 to 6 weeks to help contain the spread of the virus here in the United States. Although it is currently just an idea, our Javier Gonzalez spoke with some business owners to see what another lockdown could mean.
At this point, President-elect Joe Biden has not commented publicly on this idea floated by a coronavirus task force member. And even though it was suggested that the government pay for lost wages with borrowed money, some people I spoke with say a complete shutdown is not the answer. While numerous states have endured a shutdown or stay-at-home order, an idea from a member of President-elect Joe Biden's COVID-19 advisory board has suggested a uniform shutdown across the nation.
I don't think America quite gets this yet. This is going to get much worse. This is not to scare people out of their wits. This is to scare people into their wits to understand that. Because we still have control. We can basically limit the contacts we have with people that will dramatically impact our risk of getting this disease.
That suggestion is 4 to 6 weeks of staying at home.
There's a lot of businesses that won't be able to recover. They're already hurting already.
Roland Garza owns Frank's Produce, a business that's been around for more than 40 years. Although he believes a national shutdown would help slow the spread of the virus and that he and his small business would be okay, he knows some businesses wouldn't be able to pull through.
For the safety of the citizens, yeah, you probably would have to do something like that. I don't know, 6 weeks, 4 weeks might be extreme, but there's a lot of areas that do need a lot of help.
And although there have been talks that the government would be able to use borrowed money to pay individuals, over at Chops and Eggs,
another lockdown would really hurt me. It'd probably put me out of a home. Unemployment didn't do jack for anybody.
server Moses Nucete doesn't agree.
We have to adjust. We have to adjust. We can't just keep locking down the country. We can't keep putting people out of work. We can't, risk that they're going to lose their homes.
Adding that going back to square one is a path workers can't afford to take.
We can keep things the way they are, or we can go back to 50%, but shutting down the country entirely for 4 weeks is not ideal. It's not ideal.
Now, several states have experienced a lockdown or stay-at-home order since the pandemic began, but a national lockdown like what is being suggested has never happened before. Reporting in Corpus Christi, Javier Gonzalez, Chris 6 News.
And in an interview today, Dr. Anthony Fauci with the National Institute of Allergy and Infectious Diseases said that the United States could still make it through the winter without a national lockdown if we as a country, quote, just hang in there and pick up social distancing habits until vaccines arrive.